This file kit review is of the Lamborghini Countach, the LP500S. It's a 1/24 scale model by Revell, and there's the dimensions and the colors needed. This is an officially licensed product, and some pictures of the model. It's a beautiful car. Let's have a look inside. So here we have those are the classic Lamborghini wheels. I don't really like the chrome job here. I'll probably have to remove them and then spray it chrome. We have exhaust and some engine parts here, mirror parts. Here's our glass, slightly curved, and the glass for the doors and front lights and so on. Here are our wheels, and a little unusual that they've got the back in there. And I also found unusual here is that they're all the same height, whereas the Lamborghini Countach should have very fat back wheels. And here's the body, nicely molded, and you see the sharp lines of the Countach. We have a spare wheel molded in, batteries molded in. It's a little disappointing. Here's our massive engine and transmission, and parts for the engine bay. Looks like part of our front bumper. Some engine parts, and here's the cockpit. This is our engine cover. Here's the front hood. These are the air intakes, or probably for the radiator. The classic Lamborghini wing, and then the rear for the rear lights. The scoops. We've got some seats and the front bumper. Here's our classic Lamborghini dashboard there, and we have a whole bunch. Here are drive parts, suspension parts, some engine parts, steering wheel. Molding quality is not great, as you can see there. A lot of flashing, many of these parts here. Here's our chassis, twin radiators, our wheels, and the headers and exhausts. Here are the instructions. Here are the colors needed. We start off with the engine here, and that's built into the engine bay. And start to build the chassis, wheel wells, engine bay. Engine gets put in there. Then we have the exhausts. Then the wheels, drive shaft go on. Then we build the cockpit. And we build the front of the body. There's lights go on there. Doesn't look like these lights come up at all. Other body parts going on. And glass is put in. Finally, our cockpit's placed in there, and then the chassis, and then the wheels. Wheels are a little disappointing because they don't have the wide tires on the back. And then the painting and decal guide. So all in all, I like the fact that the engine is fairly well represented. It's not molded in. Disappointed by the wheels. Also, would like to have had this wheel separate so you could paint it. But otherwise, the modeling quality seems to be reasonable.